Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Cortana will not close on your Windows 10 computer. So this could be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So in order to close Cortana, an alternative way is to open up the Start menu, type in Cortana. On the right panel, select App Settings. And then there will be options if you scroll down to reset as well as repair Cortana. So if it's not working right, we can try repairing it. The app status won't be affected. Also the option to reset Cortana. And then you have the option up at the top here to terminate the app. So go ahead and select terminate if it's unable to terminate. See if that resolves the problem. And if you have further issues, you can try repairing the app as well. And then if that fails, you can try resetting it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.